All right, Todd's back, and we're just stuck in the mud
Boy.
right now. So
Yeah, we got back into town on Sunday, and it's been junk.
yeah,
It's been junk, and I don't see it getting
it was
a
gorgeous
whole lot
every
better.
single day you were gone.
Yeah,
too.
I
That's
heard.
Weird.
I
Yeah.
heard.
As soon as you got back, it's interesting.
There was one day.
I'm just kidding. It was
No,
not
but there
gorgeous
was
while
one
you
day.
were gone.
We left on Thursday, and it was that Friday
Yeah.
when it was like dead of summer.
Yeah, that was the day.
That was the day, and I was very, very jealous. But after that, I don't know, not so much.
A little bit.
Now we're dealing with spring in Maine, and it's very frustrating at times because there's going to be good weather to our north, and there's going to be really good weather to our south, and we're going to be stuck in this for the next few more days. Rain coming in off of the ocean with this onshore flow. It's steadiest right now in the greater Portland area, Casco Bay, up the mid-coast. And there are some heavier downpours right now through some of the Oxford Hills and the Lakes region of Maine, heading up into the western Maine mountains. So kind of probably hitting the windows with some heavier rain right now. A little bit of light rain in Bangor. Radar's not picking up everything, though. There's some mist and drizzle where you don't see anything falling. So it's going to be a wet start, and it's a chilly one, too. Our temperatures are very close to the ocean temperature with this onshore flow. It won't budge much throughout the day. We'll stay in the 40s again, kind of cold. Need the heat on in the house every once in a while to take the edge off. There's a high to our north. There's a high to our northwest. There's high pressure down here to our south. And we are stuck right now with nothing moving in the atmosphere. So this will be the case tomorrow and again on Thursday too. All right, as we look at the morning hours, more misery out there, cool showers, drizzle. The roads will be wet for you. There's some areas of fog too, so visibility might be reduced in some spots. Keep that in mind. Very little changes through the middle of the day. It's cloudy with scattered showers. It'll be a little better over in New Hampshire today with a mix of sun and clouds, eventually getting into the 50s, but there could be a brief thunder shower over there. The rest of us in Maine are staying cool and damp with occasional showers and mist and temperatures that barely budge throughout the day. I don't see much changing tomorrow. This upper level storm system is still here, and it's still sucking in moisture off of the Atlantic, so tomorrow's another cloudy day with scattered showers. The upper level low does retreat a little bit on Thursday back to the west, which will allow for a weak system to pass through on Thursday. Still looking at some showers, but on Friday a brief ridge builds in, and Friday looks beautiful right now with tons of sunshine and highs reaching 60. The problem is it breaks down very quickly, and this upper level storm system once again works its way back towards us over the weekend. While Saturday will be dry with some partial sun, Sunday the showers likely return, and early next week we probably get into some more very wet conditions. This is through Saturday. Rainfall in the state, not a ton, about a ½ an inch. It's just not sunny at all really, except for Friday. But early next week we could get another drencher in here with a couple of inches possible Monday into Tuesday. And right now our streams and rivers are doing okay, even in this wet pattern and the snow melting up in the mountains. But if we keep getting some bigger storms over the next couple of weeks, we may have some flooding concerns. We'll keep an eye on that. Small crafts are up, seas 3 to 4, east winds 10 to 15. Showers and drizzle today, highs in the 40s. Little better tomorrow, I suppose, with just a few showers, upper 40s, 50 on Thursday. Friday's really the day, though. Mostly sunny, high around 60 degrees. Saturday's fine in the 50 to 55 degree range, but the clouds are returning, and then we get back into the unsettled and cold pattern with highs in the 40s Sunday and Monday with more wet weather expected.
Not a lot of sun in those 7 days.
No, but Friday into Saturday, timing's pretty good there.
All right, we'll search for the positives.
You got it right now.
Thank you.
Yep.